Vebko's company's software comes in two versions of Stable and Test. All the latest changes of the software are added to this version, and as the title suggests, it is the test version and may contain software bugs. Once these bugs are fixed, the stable version is released in which all the software issues are solved and it can be easily used. It also may not contain all the features of the test version. Note that you can install both test and stable versions at the same time without facing any problems. To download the latest test or stable versions, you can visit the software section at www.webko.ir. It should be noted that before installing the software, if an older version of the software is already installed on the currently being used system, to install a new version, there is no need to uninstall the old version and the newer version will automatically replace the old one. To install the software, run the test.exe file. Then, to continue, select Next. It is necessary to install the WinPCAP software before trying to install the Vebko software. Click on Next option again. Then the WinPCAP 413 setup message will pop up, which means that this software has been installed before, and if it is necessary to reinstall it, select OK. Otherwise, you can select Cancel to continue. If the software has not been installed on the currently being used system, the Install option will be available to install the WinPCAP software. Now in the Open window, check the I agree option and click on Install. Installing the AmproTest software takes a few seconds. Now you can run the software by clicking on the Run option. In the Security section on the main page of the software, by clicking on the open source location, the location where the software is installed will be opened. On this page, right-click on the Ampro application exe file and select Properties. Now in the Compatibility tab, check the Run this program as an administrator option. Then, you need to repeat the same process for the Ampro App Launcher exe file.